Alright, so I've installed a few engines on a couple of my Subarus, and I've had misfires a few times, and I found what primarily causes them is one thing are broken teeth on the crank pulleys, and it's an easy thing to miss at first, like this one. This one looks beautiful, it looks perfect, it looks like all of its teeth are there and everything's hunky-dory and that it'd work great, you know. So I went and put this on, but I didn't notice that this tooth right here, you can barely see it, is slightly cracked and it's bent. Now you go to put this on, you're probably going to get a misfire because your crank sensor here reads the gaps in between these teeth, and if one of them's missing or something's slightly off, it won't read right and you'll probably get a misfire. You know, you might get a misfire under certain loads or when it really starts spinning fast and the signal to the ECU is skewed. Another reason is we have your plug coils here, and a lot of people think they have a bad plug coil, but it's really not. If you pull this boot off, I'm trying to hold the camera and do this. You pull this boot off here, you'll see a spring. See it on that end, see it on that end. Now a lot of times this ain't out here like this. It'll be compressed and it won't be making contact. That spring won't be making contact with the screw in the bottom of this hole. So what you got to do is stretch the spring. I take it out and I stretch it, and that's fixed my misfire a few times too. Just stretching that spring. You don't have to buy a new coil usually. It's just because the spring is not making contact between the coil and the plug anymore, typically. So those might be a few culprits if you are experiencing a misfire on your Subaru. Other than that, it could be excessive blow-by, cracked ringland. If you think you have a cracked ringland or you want to rule that out, take your oil cap off while the car is running. And if excessive debris is blowing out of your oil cap or smoke or anything like that, then you probably have bad rings or cracked ringland, cracked piston, something like that. But if it's just pulsing back and forth really fast under your hand when you put your hand, that's normal, you know, from the pistons moving back and forth. Could be your turbo leaking too, leaking excessive oils. So take off your intercooler, check on the inside of your intercooler for excessive oil. You'll see it, you'll know, there'll be a lot of oil in there, a lot of oil. It'll pool up inside your intercooler, you know. Usually you can just pull it right off and look. This one's hard, but you know, you'll see oil all over in here, basically. Hope this helps.